good. And
we're just heading up to Panabaker now. And he's in the shoulder. Oof, yeah. Right up on the curb and back down. Whoa.
gosh.
Yeah, and there's someone walking a kid. Holy Jesus.
That's great. You've got dash cam.
Yeah, the whole thing. There he is. There's a cop right there.
Oh, excellent.
Right there.
Can you put on your hazard?
Yep, she got him. She got him.
Excellent. Oh, I'm so glad. So, Eric.
Hello, how's it going?
Calling.
Yeah.
Was there dash cam or?
Yeah, I have the memory card. Do you want me to send it to you or something? Of the whole thing, he bounced off
if
curbs.
you had it accessible, I wanted to see it. He's just stupid, and he's going to job interview. I don't suspect any impairment. I 100% believe you, right?
Yeah, he bounced off a curb right in front of a woman walking